Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto ham and cheddar biscuits. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to be making some delicious ham and cheddar biscuits today. So let's get started. We've got 2 cups of almond flour here, and we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And this is our dry ingredient, so I'm just going to mix that up. This is just my basic cheddar biscuit recipe. And then we're going to add some more delicious stuff so they're even more delicious. We're going to add in 4 beaten eggs, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And you can use mild cheddar, you can use sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar. That would probably be pretty delicious. A 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, flat leaf parsley, and 3/4 cup of ham that it's just deli ham that we chopped up. So we're going to stir this up until it's all combined. Isn't this so much easier than regular traditional flour biscuits? So much easier and tastier, in my opinion. Okay, I'm going to use my handy dandy 3 tablespoon scoop, and I'm going to scoop this into about 11 biscuits. And we got 12 biscuits. So these are going to cook in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, here are our ham and cheddar biscuits out of the oven, and they look so delicious. Look at that. Let's give one a taste. Fluffy and flavorful. Guys, make sure you check out this recipe for my keto breakfast casserole. You're going to love it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.